This video will help you know the difference between Botox and keratin. Botox is a treatment which is designed to repair the damage and the broken hair fibers, whereas keratin is a chemical treatment that helps to smooth down your hair, and it's like a lock and seal on top of your hair. Botox always uses ingredients like caviar oil, vitamin B5, vitamin E, and collagen complex. Whereas when we talk about keratin, it uses an ingredient which is called formaldehyde, which is a very controversial thing which is there in the market because it does lead to cancer. Yes, you have to be really cautious about it. But although chances are very, very rare, but it is something to be considered if you really want to deep dive into it. Although the formaldehyde treatments are available in the market, but they are not that effective and they don't last pretty long. Botox is just a fancy name of deep conditioning. It's like a catchy title. Whereas when we talk about keratin, it makes your hair more manageable. If your hair is too thick and frizzy, then keratin is for you. And it also strengthens your hair. So if your hair is very brittle, then keratin is for you because it strengthens your hair.